piétons, place Saint-Michel.
Okay, so welcome back again for another vlog. So today I'm exploring San Michel area here in Paris. And first up, actually gusto ko pumunta sana sa fountain. Kaya lang, for some circumstances, it's under renovation. Nire-restore nila yung fountain. So, ayun. Sabi nila, the fountain actually represents the good versus evil. Yung parang alam niyo yun, yung sa Ginebra. Ito yun, may mga picture naman dito. So for the meantime, in-nourish muna natin yung mga picture dito. So ganyan yung itsura niya. Ayan. So yung statue ni Saint Michael. Tapos meron siyang mga evil na inaano, na sinusupil. So this is Saint Michel Square. So ayun. Actually maganda tong area na to ng Paris. This is very busy. A little bit chaotic, but it's a good chaotic kind. So yun. So let's explore more of Saint Michel. And let's go! Okay, so now we're walking in the Rue de la Couchette. Ayan. Actually, Saint Michel is part of the Latin Quarter. Ang dami ditong mga restaurants, souvenir shops, and madami ditong mga small passage, small streets na you can walk and just, feel that Parisian vibe. So, yun. So, this is one of the street, Rue de la Couchette. Diba? Ang daming kainan. Madami ditong shawarmahan, Greek foods like Mediterranean restaurants, and of course, souvenir shops. Papunta din tayo ulit sa another street, which is Rue Saint-Séverin. So, ayan. So, this is Rue Saint-Séverin. So, pupunta tayo sa Severin Church. Pardon. So, let's see yung kanilang church dito. This is an old church. Ayan. This is located in Rue Saint-Séverin. Hindi natin kung makakapasok tayo. This is an old church. It was built in around 13th to 15th century. So, may semento dyan for sure. So, let's check. So, kuhanan ko lang siya ng mabilis kasi may event daw ng 4 p.m. So, this is inside of the church. So, as you can see, yan yung famous sa church na to, yung mga twisted walls. Ayan. Which is so maganda din. Not big as Roi and Amiens, Notre Dame, but it's a good one for sure. So, lumabas na ako kasi may concert daw eh. ng 4 p.m. So, ayan. So, no visit ngayon sa church. Pero they are allowing, but I think they're gonna close it at 4 p.m. for the concert. This is another church. Église Saint-Julien, Le Pauvre. So, check din natin siya. This is an old church as well. And yan. Wala naman siguro ang concert dito. So, let's see what's inside. This is an old church. Like, literally old. Maliit lang siya. Para lang siyang chapel. So, lumabas na ako. So, ayan. Ngayon naman, pupuntahan natin yung oldest tree here in Paris. Malapit lang din dito yun. Dito lang din siya sa Latin Quarter. Sorry. Lagi ko nagamit yung Quartier. Dito lang din siya sa Paris. Ay, dito lang din siya sa area. Which is sobrang lapit lang niya. Dito lang siya sa gilid ng St. Julian na church. Ito yon. This is a historical tree. This is part of Paris's historical landmark. So this is located in the Viviani Garden, just beside the church na pinuntahan natin, yung San Julian. And this was planted 1601, so around that time. So this tree is actually 400 years old now. So ang dami niya ng pinagdaan ng gera. Ang dami niya nakitang tao. Pero still, andyan pa din siya. So ayun, yan siya. Hindi pa siya pataya. Actually winter lang ngayon kaya wala siyang dahon. I've seen this in summertime, springtime. Malago pa yung dahon niya. And meron siyang mga support na mga tree doon kasi if not, matagal na siyang bumagsak. So, ayun. This is in the Acacia family. French call it Robinier, Faux Acacia. So, ayun. So, ayan yung tree. And sa likod ko, andoon yung Notre Dame. Ayan. Naalala niyo yung Marché de Noël near Notre Dame? Ito yung garden na yon. Dito siya. So, yun. So, as what I'm saying kanina, actually Saint Michel is part of the Latin Quarter because most of the people here before are students, thinkers, writers, and most of them are speaking Latin. As you know, Latin is an old language, and most Latin speakers are the ones that are really studying noon. So, ayun. And konting lakad lang ulit. Pupunta tayo sa Shakespeare and Company. It's an English bookstore which is very famous here in the Latin Quarter. Ayan lang siya. As in, ayan. Laging may pila dyan eh. Pero sadly, you cannot take videos inside. You can take videos here outside and see what you can check from it. So, pipila ako. Papasok ako sa loob. So, ayan siya. just near the old tree kanina. Konting lakad lang, like 1 minute. So literally, this bookshop, you can buy books from it. Ano talaga siya, bookstore. You can buy English books from the shop. And yun. Kaya lang, bawal mo nga ng video sa loob. Because, yun, that doesn't make the experience memorable. Kasi wala kang makukuha photos or videos from the inside.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, so lumabas na ako ng Shakespearean Company. Actually, malaki pala siya. I didn't expect that. Meron pa siyang mga reading rooms sa taas. Tapos, maluwang, in fairness. Sobrang dami ng libro. I cannot decide if bibili ba ako or hindi. So, I ended up not buying anything. Kasi ang dami. Hindi ko din alam kung ano yung bibiling ko talaga. Ang dami ko pang libro na kailangang basahin. And ayun, shoutout kay Geraldine, yung libro ko. So, ayun. Ayan yung Shakespearean Company. And ayan lang yung Notre Dame. Ito yung Viviani Garden. And just walk straight, makita nyo na yung old tree. Which is, ayun. So, ayan! Yay! Okay, so we're walking towards the Seine River. And as you can see, madami ditong mga ito yung mga green stalls which are called the Bouquinist. So, yan. They've been here for like since 16th century. Andito na sila. So they're selling books, comics, postcards, old maps, na ganyan. So this is actually part of the UNESCO heritage since 1991 because ayun, andito na nga sila since then. So this is the river, the Seine River. That's the Notre Dame there. And back tayo dun sa mga dun sa Bouquinist. 900 stalls yan around Seine River, around Paris. Mostly, andito lang sila sa gilid ng Seine. So these stalls or the Bouquinist are considered the largest open-air bookstore in the world. So, ayan. So, you're asking why green? Why hindi na lang iba-iba ng kulay? Well, green, the color green was regulated by the government para, ayun, may uniformity and maganda talaga siyang tignan. Hindi siya iba-iba. Kasi kung rainbow yun, ang gulo. Diba? That's what I like about Paris. Yung mga uniformity. Ayan, let's see some of the things they're selling. So, old books, ganyan. Mga paintings, mga old artifacts, comics, mga kung ano-ano pa. So, ayun. Mga old posters. Ay, nawala. So, ayan. May mga Harry Potter na book, oh.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's so sick.
So, ayan. ayan, I think I covered most of the San Michel para maglakad tayo sa Seine River pa. So, yan. So, maganda kasi yung weather today. So, nakita nyo yun sa may gilid ng river. Ang daming tao. Hintay nila mag-sunset. So, as you can see, Notre Dame is already open, although it's still under restoration and construction. So, madami pang binabago yan. Madami pang ginagawa. Inaayos, nire-restore para mabalik yung dating Notre Dame. So, I'm doing another vlog for this church. I'm not gonna put it in here sa aking San Michel vlog. Ayun. Gusto niyo makita kung gaano kadaming tao? Sige. Lahat yan papasok. Is this the church? So ayan, I'm doing that for another vlog na lang kasi ang daming tao, saka parang ang dami ko nang na-cover dito sa San Michel. Sorry, nagbe-bell na yung ring. Nagbe-bell na si Quasimodo. So ayun guys, nawala ako sa aking closing spiel. Ang ingay kasi ng bell. Wait, gagawin ko ulit siya after. Wait lang. Ayaw magpatalo? Okay, so that's it for today guys. Ayaw talaga magpatalo ng bell. So ayun, thank you for watching and keep liking and subscribing on my vlog. Thank you and see you on the next one. Bye!